Kiumia kihituku gikundi kimwe kia atumia ni kiarurunganire gikimenereria mukawa-ini uria kwerikanaga ni waingatire mutumia uria wongithagia mwana na kumwatha akongithirie kioro. Kuringana na mbica cia CCTV iria irekereirio ni urugamiriri wa mukawa-ini, mutumia uyu okiririe gite kiria ongithagiria mwana thutha wa kunina irio iria ariaga.
She was not asked to breastfeed in the toilet. She was not thrown out of the premises. At the same time, she stayed here and ate her meal, finished and left.
Kumana na ugayukanu wa mbica iria marekereirie na oho gukorwo itari na mathaa, arugamiriri a mukawa-ini ni maugwite mitambo ikarage ikihoraga na oho thukangia kumana na tutambi.
I do not remember seeing that position by the manager as alleged that cockroaches have eaten the cables, and you'll be able to, if need be, you can also see around yourself how the CCTV has been set up, and it's as fresh, as new as it was.
The CCTV footage is in two parts because of the way it was picked, and you can see there's no time lapse between the first part and the second part. And also, I think even you guys in the media as IT experts, you can also try and see if it was edited, because we did not edit the CCTV footage.
Ona thutha wa mukawa-ini kumenya uhoro wigie muhuhuria watambaga wigie mukawa ucio matiatindanire na ndeto iyo.
Olive restaurant felt that coming out that time to fight, it will appear like, it's a war, pitting one side against another. And to prove the point that Olive restaurant supports breastfeeding mothers, it was decided that let the lobby that's organizing the march for breastfeeding mothers carry on with its march.
Oho ni maugite gucunga muhera kwao hindi ya mururungano wa gikundi kia atumia ti kuga ati mari na mahitia.
When you offer an apology, it does not always mean that you're wrong. Sometimes you offer an apology to cool the situation so that you can have a chance for dialogue.
Ginyagia riu urugamiriri wa mukawa-ini no wetereire mutumia uyu kwiyumiria niguo kunanira njungwa nake. Kumana na mururungano uria wari kuo kiumia kihituku wigie kuongithia mwana, mukawa wa Olive niureganite na ndeto iria merirwo ati nimaregire mutumia korwo akiongithiria mukawa-ini uyu kuria kumana na uthuthuria wao ni wonanitie ati mutumia ucio arirwo korwo akihumbira mwana niguo korwo akimwongithiria o haria ri. Handu-ini ha Kameme TV kuma mucii munene wa Nairobi, ritwa riakwa ni Wanjogu wa Wachira.